Dear students, today I am going to teach you voice. Voice is called watch. वॉइस को हम लोग हिंदी में वॉच कहते हैं। ये वॉइस दो प्रकार के होते हैं, एक्टिव वॉइस एंड पैसिव वॉइस। एक्टिव वॉइस राम रीड्स ए बुक, ये उसको हम एक्टिव वॉइस में देते हैं। क्यों? तो जब वर्ब जो है सब्जेक्ट के आधार पर चलता है, जब वर्ब सब्जेक्ट को फॉलो करता है और उसके आधार पर अपना रूप बदलता है, तो उसको हम एक्टिव वॉइस कहते हैं। When the verb takes form according to the subject of the sentence is called active voice, and when the verb runs according to the object is called passive voice. Just like a book is read by Ram. When the verb takes place according to the object is called passive voice. जब वर्ब सब्जेक्ट के आधार पर रन करता है तो हम एक्टिव वॉइस कहते हैं, और जब वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट के आधार पे इस ऑब्जेक्ट के आधार पर रन करता है तो हम उसे पैसिव वॉइस कहते हैं। हिंदी में एक्टिव वॉइस को कर्तृवाच्य और पैसिव वॉइस को कर्मवाच्य कहते हैं। हम एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस को चेंज करते हैं। कैसे? वर्ब को, तो जो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है उसको हम एक्टिव से पैसिव में चेंज कर देते हैं। बिना ऑब्जेक्ट का कोई भी वर्ब इंट्रांजिटिव होता है, और कोई भी वर्ब जब उसके साथ ऑब्जेक्ट आ जाता है तो ट्रांजिटिव होता है। The verb which has an object is called transitive, and without an object a verb is called intransitive. We can change into passive only to the verb which is transitive. Intransitive verb cannot be changed into passive. So we will study today how to change active into passive. We change active into passive according to the tense and according to the sentence also. First we will learn to change into passive, how a simple sentence changed into passive we will study. Mohan writes a letter. It is called active voice. The passive voice is letter is written by Mohan. We write active and passive here to understand the rule. First, we change the active object of active voice as the subject of passive voice. First, we change the object of active voice as the subject of passive voice. After that, we use auxiliary verb according to the tense. Then we write the third form of main verb. Then we use by, and after that, at last, we use the subject of active voice as the agent of passive voice. So we change active like this into passive. Now we have to study that how in the simple sentence, simple present we can change passive. What is the structure of passive? In passive, in simple sentence, first we take simple sentence. Simple present tense. It is Mohan writes a letter. It is in simple present. So when we will change it into passive, first we give the object of active voice as the subject of passive voice. A letter. Then we will use is or am. Is or am. So we see here that which verb will be with a letter. We use each with a singular noun in third person. So we write here each. A letter each. Now in passive voice, the main verb will always be in its third form. पैसिव वॉइस में मुख्य क्रियाएं जो है, प्रिंसिपल वर्ब जो है, उसका हम थर्ड फॉर्म ही लिखते हैं, चाहे वो किसी भी टेंस में रहे, किसी भी टेंस में सेंटेंस रहे, लेकिन हम यदि उसको पैसिव में चेंज करते हैं तो वर्ब का मेन वर्ब जो है हमेशा अपने तीसरे रूप में होगा. सो वी यूज हियर राइट, रॉट, रिटन. Then we use by before the agent. अब हम एजेंट यानी एक्टिव वॉइस के सब्जेक्ट को यहाँ एजेंट के रूप में लिखने के पहले by यूज करेंगे. We will use by before agent. Now after by we write Mohan as agent. So a letter is written by Mohan. I can say in Hindi, एक पत्र मोहन के द्वारा लिखा जाता है. पहले में हुआ मोहन एक पत्र लिखता है, और पैसिव में हो गया एक पत्र मोहन के द्वारा लिखा जाता है. दिस सेंटेंस इज इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट. नाउ वी विल लर्न टू चेंज इनटू पैसिव इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. In present continuous, we know the sentence has the structure of subject plus is or am plus V4 plus object. It is the structure of active voice also in present continuous. In present continuous, the form of sentence is like this: subject plus is/am plus verb plus V4 plus object. Just like Mohan is singing a song. This is present continuous, which is said like this also: present, progressive present, or present imperfect. In this sentence we see that subject plus is rm plus V4 plus object. Now when we will change in passive, we only add being by ourselves. Being. So the passive will be the change of law. will be the same as we study in the simple present. First we turn the object of the active voice as the subject of passive voice. A song then is, now we use being. A song is being, and the verb will be always in third form. Sung, sing, sang, sung. A song is being sung by, now the agent will be Mohan. Like this we will change active into passive in present continuous. Next in present perfect and present perfect continuous we will study in the next class.